Hello, Tia here, wig coach, wig educator, and owner of Tia Maria Wigs. I just did a video on this wig. This is Aesthetica's Mellow, and I did a full video on it, and I was demonstrating the sea salt spray, which is what I did on this side, and then this side is the non-sea salt spray side. But a lot of you have been wondering about sort of the shaping cream. This is the Beautimark Shaping Cream, and then there's like the Envy Beauty Balm and the Jean Renault Peace Out. It's a similar type of scenario, and people were asking me to do a little tutorial on how I use this because I do use this. I just thought I'd come on here really quick and show you some ways that I use it. First and foremost, synthetic hair products are wonderful, and when they're made for synthetic fibers, I love them. But I think there's a time and a place, and the shaping cream I think has a very specific purpose, and a purpose that I love it for. And one of them is to keep the flyaways. For me, I don't like stuff like in my face. I wear false lashes, so anything that like touches my lash just like seriously trips me out. This is the sea salt spray side, so I'm gonna leave that go. But you can see this is a non-sea salt spray, and this may have a tendency to like flop a little forward, or just like you can see this rogue hair here, and you want them all to like kind of just be together. So I'm going to show you how I use it for that. I also use it where lately I've been wearing like a short wig and kind of pulling it back and then clipping a clip-on ponytail with it. So I would use the shaping cream to kind of like sort of make it as if I was pulling my hair back and putting it in a ponytail. This would be like more slicked down. So I do use it for that as well. But I'll show you how I use it just in the front. One of the things about this, no matter what the cream, balm, whatever, less is more. So it looks like this. This is the one that I use. This is my actual one. So I usually run my finger around the edge, get a little bit on there, and then I really actually put it and work it in on my fingers like this so that I'm not getting a huge chunk, because that's happened where I ran my finger and I'm like, and it just gets a huge chunk, and then you get this weirdness. And then I really work it on the tip of my fingers and kind of like the rogue hair. I just take it and just go like this. Do you see how light and easy right there? Boom, right? So you don't, I actually have too much on my hand. But say you have some flyaways here and you just really want to kind of tame them. Do you see how lightly, like don't get crazy with this. And then you let it dry. That's really all you need to do. Do you see that? Now, if I was going to pull this back, I'd need about this much. So I would just run it all along the top, and then with my hands, go like this. And then I would run. So you know when you have a short wig and you're pulling it back and it kind of can just fit back there, but some of the pieces might fall? That's also, the shaping cream is nice to just sort of bind them together a little bit to keep them in place a little bit more. And then I would go like this and then clip the ponytail on there, if that makes sense. But you can see how easy peasy, the littlest bit, and there you go. Okay, and now it's all gone. Another thing about using this is that this is going to be a product that if you use a bunch of it, if you use too much of it, you will have to wash it. It will, you know, build up and things like that. Let it dry, comb it out if you need to. But if it's something you use, you really shouldn't need, once this dries, like you shouldn't need to use it constantly. It'll stay in there as you brush it through for a while. Look at that. And yeah, so that's that. So I hope this was helpful. If there's other ways to use this cream that people were wanting to know, please put that down below. If there's questions I didn't answer or something I didn't demonstrate, but overall, that's just how I use it. And that's what I have for you. You can get this and any of the other creams on my website, tmwigs.com. If you have any other questions that you'd like, maybe just like a mini tutorial on how to use something or a question, go ahead and put that down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.